The AIPER Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum is a lightweight, portable, and fully automated cleaning solution designed specifically for above-ground flat pools. Its cordless design and smart features make pool maintenance simple and stress-free. Automated robotic cleaning. This robotic pool cleaner uses advanced automation technology to clean your pool efficiently with minimal manual effort. Once activated, it moves independently across the pool floor, helping maintain a consistently clean swimming environment. Compact and portable design. With its sleek and compact body, the Seagull SE easily navigates tight spaces and corners. The lightweight construction also makes it easy to lift, carry, and store after use. Ideal for everyday pool maintenance. Powerful suction performance equipped with a strong suction system, the cleaner effectively picks up dirt, debris, and leaves from the pool floor. This powerful performance helps keep your pool looking fresh and swim-ready at all times. Simple one-button operation designed for convenience, the Seagull SE features a one-button control that makes operation extremely user-friendly. Just press the button, place it in the pool, and let it handle the cleaning automatically. Efficient debris collection system. The large-capacity filter bag or canister captures dirt, debris, and contaminants efficiently. This ensures cleaner water and reduces the need for frequent emptying during cleaning cycles. Smart self-parking technology. When the battery runs low, the cleaner automatically parks itself near the pool edge. This smart feature makes retrieval quick and easy without the need to search underwater. Outro. Overall, the AIPER Seagull SE by AIPER offers cordless convenience, strong suction, and easy operation, making it a practical and efficient choice for above-ground flat pools up to 40 feet in length.